The purpose of this video is to show how to download and update your oven's software. Before you begin, you will need a USB drive. To download the latest software version, please visit alto-sham.com/software. Here, you can learn how to check your oven's software version. Scroll down to find and select your oven model and control type. We'll select Vector H and F Series Deluxe Control. Click the link to download the latest software. The zip file will download to your computer via your default web browser. Click on the folder icon to reveal the zip file. Right-click on the file and select Extract All. Click Extract. Select the two files you have just extracted and copy them onto the root level of your flash drive. Once the files are copied over, eject the flash drive from your computer and plug it into the oven you'll be updating. On the oven, touch the menu icon. Then touch the settings icon. Scroll down to the Update System Software, found under System Backup and Update. Touch Update System Software. This update will consist of updating the front-end and back-end software. First, touch Update Back-end Software. Select the asbe.bin file and touch the check mark. Once the update is installed, the oven will need to reboot. Touch the check mark to proceed. After the oven restarts, touch the menu icon. Then touch the settings icon. Scroll down to and touch Update System Software again. Touch Update Front-End Software. Select the asfe.bin file and touch the check mark. Once the update is installed, the oven will reboot again. Touch the check mark. Once the oven has rebooted, the update is complete. For more how-to videos, please visit our website.